The M-Line Trolley in Dallas is a charming vintage streetcar service that offers a unique way to explore the city. It operates through popular areas like Uptown and Downtown, connecting key neighborhoods and attractions. The trolley features restored historic streetcars that give riders a nostalgic experience of early urban transit. It is free to ride, making it both convenient and budget-friendly for locals and tourists. Volunteers often help operate and maintain the system, adding a community-driven spirit to the service. The M-Line Trolley is not just transportation, but also a moving piece of Dallas history and culture.